In this video, I'll show you how to create a cinematic AI website with a working light and dark mode video toggle, and then publish it inside WordPress. We'll start in Gemini. First, upload your reference car image and ask Gemini to recreate the same scene in a high-quality cinematic style. Make sure the prompt asks it to keep the car, camera angle, composition, and overall premium look consistent. Once the first image is ready, download it as the light mode version. Then ask Gemini to create the same scene again in dark mode, while keeping the car and layout exactly the same. This gives us two matching visuals for the website hero. Next, switch Gemini to video mode, upload the light mode image, and ask Gemini to animate it with a smooth cinematic camera movement, subtle atmosphere, and a luxury landing page feel. If you have a reference video, add it here so Gemini can copy the motion style more closely. Once the light mode video is ready, download it. Then repeat the same process with the dark mode image and download the night mode video as well. Now we have two matching hero videos, one for light mode and one for night mode. Now open Google AI Studio and start building the website. Paste the main website prompt into AI Studio and generate the landing page. The full main prompt is in the description. Once the website is generated, open the preview and check the layout. At this point, focus on the overall design first. The navigation, hero section, feature cards, roadmap section, and footer. The layout should be close, but the hero video may still need fixing. To fix the hero, upload both downloaded videos into AI Studio. Then tell AI Studio to replace the current hero background with these two videos. The light mode video should show by default, and the night mode video should show when the toggle button is clicked. Now preview the website again and test the toggle. Click between light mode and night mode and check if both videos switch smoothly. If the hero still shows the old background, ask AI Studio to remove every old hero source, including placeholder videos, SVG backgrounds, image backgrounds, or previous video URLs. Then tell it to use only the two uploaded hero videos. This step is important because sometimes uploading videos in the chat is not enough. They need to be connected inside the actual hero section code. Once the website is working properly in AI Studio, we need to move it to WordPress. Since WordPress cannot run the full React or Vite project inside a custom HTML block, ask AI Studio to convert the current website into plain HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. The WordPress conversion prompt is also in the description. Make sure the output is one complete WordPress-ready HTML snippet with CSS inside a style tag and JavaScript inside a script tag. After that, go to your WordPress dashboard. Open Pages, click Add New Page, click the plus button, and search for the custom HTML block. Paste the full code from AI Studio into the block and preview the page. Check the hero video, the light and night toggle, the layout, the footer, and the mobile spacing. If everything looks good, publish the page. If something looks wrong after publishing, take a screenshot and send it back to AI Studio. Tell it exactly what is broken, like the video not loading, the toggle not working, extra spacing, or missing styling. Then copy the fixed code, replace the old HTML block, and preview it again, and that's the full workflow. We use Gemini to create and animate the visuals, Google AI Studio to build the website, and WordPress to publish it with a simple HTML block. If you want the exact prompts for the main website and WordPress version, comment prompt and I'll share them.